Good day to everyone. This is your code book. So in this tutorial we are going to discuss how to execute our Python code in different methods. So these are the three methods I am going to explain in this lesson. So method 1, symbol IDLE. So IDLE stands for Integrated Development Environment, and method 2 is PyCharm, one of the advanced IDE, graphical IDE, which was used by most developers. That is PyCharm. And third one is the using command line. So let me explain one by one. So to download this IDLE, Integrated Development Environment, from this python.org. This is the official site for Python documentation and downloads. So here you can see the current version is 3.10.4, and choose the operating system, and then download the appropriate software and install into your machine. So here I have already installed Python IDLE. So to open this IDLE, just type IDLE and then press enter. Here this is the IDLE shell 3.810. My version is the 3.8.10. So these three greater symbols are known as Python prompt. So Python has two modes. One is the interactive mode, the other one is the script mode. So in this interactive mode, the Python interpreter immediately accept any Python statement and produce the result immediately. For example, if I am typing here 6 plus 2 and then press enter, so it will produce the result immediately. So another example, 2 minus 1, so the answer is 1. So this is the interactive mode. And the next one is the script mode. So using script we can do our Python activities or to run our Python programs. So for that, select this file menu and click new file. Okay, so or use this Control N, the command shortcut key, to create a new file. So once you created, so this is our first Python code. So I am simply print good day. So I am going to save this program. Before saving, let me create a folder in desktop to save this program. So the folder name is python underscore test. So this is my folder. Okay, we don't have any file. So now I'm going to save this Python code. Use file menu and save. Okay, so otherwise the shortcut key to save the program is use Control S, select this desktop and this Python test and test1. Okay, click the save button. Okay, so all the Python programs must save with .py extension. So click save. Here look at this folder, the Python file is created, test1.py. so to run this program, okay, to run this code, select this run and click this run module or press F5. Okay, so there is a error. Yes, I have missed double quotes here. So again click Control S, run module. So here you can see the output. So this is the first method to run our Python code using symbol IDLE, integrated development environment. And let's move on to the second method. The second method is using PyCharm. It is a graphical IDE, integrated development environment. To download this IDE, use this link. So www.jetbrains.com. So this one professional edition and this one is the community edition. Select the OS, Windows OS, Mac OS or Linux, and download the particular edition. So here I have installed this community edition in our in my machine. So PyCharm, it will take some time to load. So here I am using a Linux machine. So I am select new project. So Python project test. Okay, so the file is available home folder events and this PyCharm projects, and then Python project underscore test. Okay, click create. So it will loading this necessary files. So click Control All and delete. So use hash symbol. This is a command in Python code. So our first Python code, print okay, use again Control S to save your code, and here click this run button to run your code. So if you have successfully executed our code, you can view our output here, that is good day. So this is the second method to run our Python code using PyCharm. And third one method is the using command line. So command line, I'm going to create my Python code using text editor and run the program through terminal. So I have opened text editor. So to save this code, use Control S, and then I'm selecting desktop, this Python test. Already we have test1.py file, so I'm going to give a name test2.py. So now our Python code is ready for execution. So to run this code, Control Alt T to open a terminal, and then in Linux this ls is used to list the files and folders. So I'm going to move the directory of desktop, and then again here we have a folders, Python test, few folders are there. Our program is available in Python test to change the directory. CD stands for change directory. So Python test. So again ls to, so these are the two files available in that folder, test1.py and test2.py. so I'm going to run this test2.py. to run that program, so python 3, so the version is 3, and then file name test2.py. so press enter, so you can see the output. So this is the third method to run our Python code through terminal or command line. So these are the three methods to execute our first Python code. So method 1 is simple ideally, method 2 is advanced this IDE, that is PyCharm, and third one is the using command line. So the Python ideally has two modes, one is interactive mode, the other one is the script mode. So thank you everyone.